Good afternoon. Well, it's certainly a warm one up here. Well, down here in Leighton Buzzard. It's down for me. But yeah, we have got all our panels on the roof, and little Glen and Libby are just commissioning the inverter. Just on with the bird mesh. 20 Urena, yeah, 475 watt bifacials, and they are Tiga optimised as well. All about this roof. We've got them on east, south, and west, so they're getting the full array generation on here. Hope you've had a great week. I'm looking forward to the bank holiday long weekend. I think it's certainly a well-deserved one. Last one for a little while, I guess, until probably the summer holidays. So yeah, enjoy whatever you get up to, and we will see you